Koro, good morning. I am audible and visible to everyone. I am audible and visible to everyone. Wow, Rupsha, such a nice dance you are doing. I can see. Very good. You are dancing. Okay, everyone mute your microphone and switch off the front camera. Yes, that means I am audible and visible to everyone. So now take out your math magic. Take out your math magic. We were doing chapter number 6, the junk seller, isn't it? You have practiced the questions. You have practiced the questions or not? Okay, we will not waste the time. Come to page number 63. I think we have completed up to page number 63. Any doubt up to page number 63? Any one of you, any doubt in page up to page 63? Up to page 63, any one of you having any doubt? Write over the chat box. Any doubt? I am waiting for your answer. Okay, when you don't have the doubt, let's start from page number 64. So quickly take out page number 64. Page number 64, the first question we have not done. We will start from the page 64, first question. See, how much will Kiran pay for 42 kg newspaper? Now you have to find it out that for 42 kg newspaper, how much Kiran has to pay. Okay. Yes, everyone mute your microphone. And Rupsha, all the speakers are muted. All the speakers are muted. And Shruti, check your net connection. Okay, let's start the first question. As this is the word problem, so you have to write the statement. Clear? So what you will write? Cost of 1 kg newspaper. From the rate list you will write it down. Cost of 1 kg newspaper is equals to rupees 5. Therefore, cost of 42 kg newspaper. So it will be 42 into 5. Okay. Let us write. Page is 64. Page 64, the first question. Cost of 1 kg newspaper. All the rates are given in the rate list in your book. Okay. Then cost of 42 kg newspaper. Cost of 42 kg newspaper. It will be rupees 5 into 42. Multiply quickly and tell me the answer. Quickly multiply and tell me the answer. Rajdeep, switch off your front camera. Rajdeep, switch off your front camera. Yes, Pial is writing 210. Joita is also writing 210. That means the answer is 210. Yes, you all are writing the same answer. So the answer is rupees 210. So you will write Kiran pays or Kiran paid. Answer will be Kiran paid rupees 210 for 42 kg newspaper. Okay. Ritika, switch off your front camera. Kuhana, switch off your front camera. Kuhana, switch off your front camera. Listen, switch off your front camera, otherwise my voice and my video will not be clear to you. Now come to the next question. Also find the cost of 22 kg of plastic, then 23 kg of waste paper and 12 kg of iron. All these things you will find it out from the rate list given. Okay. So start writing. For question number 2A, you will write cost of 1 kg plastic, therefore cost of 22 kg plastic. Okay. I am rubbing the board. I think you have completed. So this is the second question we are doing. Cost of 1 kg. This is number A. Okay. Cost of 1 kg plastic, it is rupees 10. It is rupees 10. Therefore, cost of 22 kg plastic. 22 kg plastic is equals to rupees 10 into 22. So answer will be, yes, very good. It is 200. Joyita, why it is 220? Why it is 220? Joyita, why it is 220? It will be rupees 220. Okay. Rupsha, it is wrong. It is not 240. It is rupees 220. The rupees that you have to add. Okay. You have to add rupees. 220 rupees. 220 rupees. Yes, now you are giving the correct answers. So, answer will be the cost of 22 kg plastic is rupees 220. Now number B. Number B. Number B, 23 kg of waste paper. Waste paper cost is rupees 4. Waste paper cost is rupees 4. So you will write cost of 1 kg waste paper is equals to rupees 4. Therefore, cost of 23 kg of waste paper, it will be rupees 4 into 23. So answer is rupees, how much? Piyal has given the first answer, rupees 92. Is it rupees 92? Others also multiply and tell the answer. Is it rupees 92? Yes, 23 into 4. Yes, all are writing 92. The answer is correct. It is rupees 92. So you will write the answer that the cost of 23 kg of waste paper is rupees 92. Is rupees 92. The board is visible to everyone. The board is visible to everyone. The board is visible to everyone. Now the next one, 1 kg iron. Yes, this is number C. Question 2, number C. These are very easy questions, isn't it? Cost of 1 kg iron is equals to rupees. Iron is 12. Rupees 12. Therefore, cost of 12 kg of iron is equals to rupees 12 into 12. It is rupees, yes, 144. 144. So the answer will be the cost of 12 kg iron is rupees 144. See, these all are statement problems you can write of your own. Okay, you can write the statement problems of your own. That means the statements you can write of your own, and the calculations are very easy, so I think you can do of your own also. Now come to the next topic. See, can you do this without writing? Guess the total money Kiran will pay to the junk collectors. Will it be more than 600 or less than 600? Okay. Yes. So you have to see whether it is more than 600 or less than 600. For this you have to add. That means 22 kg plastic, it was rupees 220. Then 23 kg newspaper, it was 92 rupees, and 12 kg of iron, it was rupees 144. So you will add all the rates and then you will see whether it is more than 600 or less than 600. Can you tell me, is it more than 600 or less than 600? 144 plus 92 plus 220 plus 210. Add and tell me. Add and tell me. Yes, add and tell me. Add all the numbers, add all the money. Is it more than 600 or less than 600? You all are writing more than 600. Is it more than 600? Is it more than 600? No, it is less than 600. It is less than 600. Everyone give a tick mark in less than 600. If you will add all the money, that is 220 for plastic, 92 for waste paper, and 144 for iron. If you will add all this, it is less than 600. So everyone give a tick mark in less than 600. The addition you know, you will add it at your home. Of your own you will add. Clear? Now come to the next topic. Smart Kiran sells the junk. See, I'm reading. Kiran sells her junk to a big shop. She checks the prices on her mobile phone and sells only when she gets a good price. So this is the business technique, that whenever she always see his mobile phone and see the rates. Whenever there is higher rate, at that time she used to sell his junks. Today she has gone to sell plastic, newspaper, iron and brass at Dinu's big shop. Now she has collected the junk from the junk collectors, and now she is going to sell it to the big shop, and that big shop is of Dinu. Dinu weighs 32 kg iron, 4 kg brass, 152 kg newspaper and 63 kg plastic. So these things Dinu has weighted, and and she is selling to Dinu. Now come to the first question in page number 65. See, how much will Dinu pay for 63 kg plastic? And at the side there is the Dinu's rate list. Previously it was Kiran's rate list. According to that rate list, she is giving back the money to the junk collectors. Now in this page, in page number 65, there is Dinu's rate list, and this Dinu's rate list, according to that, Dinu is giving money to Kiran. That means Kiran is earning money from Dinu, okay, according to this rate list. Now see, the first question is, you have to find it out that how much Dinu pays for 63 kg plastic to Kiran. That means how much Kiran earns of 63 kg plastic. According to Dinu's rate list, 1 kg plastic cost rupees 12. See, it is in the rate list, it is given. According to Dinu, 1 kg plastic cost is rupees 12. Therefore, 63 kg plastic will be 63 into 12, isn't it? It is, see, multiplied there, and it has given the answers also. 63 into 12. What is the answer given? Write it down. What is the answer given? Yes, you can see the answer is given. Here the multiplication is given in another method, but you try to do at your home as you know the multiplication, not with this splitting and then multiplying, okay. You just multiply as you are multiplying. No need to do with this books method, the splitting method, clear? Now after multiplying 63 into 12, the answer is 756, okay. That means Kiran gets 756 money, rupees 756 from Dinu by selling 63 kg of plastic, clear? Now what the ant is saying, 12 into 63 means 12 times 63. So 12 times 60 is 720. So the answer is more than 720. Also the answer is less than 800. Can you tell why? Yes, you know it is more than 720 but less than 800. Now to the next. So for 63 kg plastic, Dinu will give rupees 756 to Kiran. Now the first question after that. Kiran bought 1 kg plastic for rupees 10 but sold 1 kg plastic for rupees 12. See, this is the profit she is doing. She has bought from the junk sellers for rupees 10 and she is selling to the big shop for rupees 12. So how much money does she earn on selling 1 kg plastic? So how much money she is earning for selling 1 kg plastic? What will be the answer? See, for 10 rupees she is giving to the junk collectors and collecting the plastic, and then she is selling to the big shop for rupees 12. That means how much she is earning? Profit? Profit is of rupees 2. Exactly. 12 minus 10, that is rupees 2. Write in the book only. 12 minus 10, it is rupees 2. So rupees 2 she is earning per kg as profit. That means in 1 kg plastic she is earning rupees 2. Now, so how much money does she earn for 63 kg? Now you have to find it out that by selling 63 kg of plastic, how much she has earn the profit. What you will do? What you will do? Yes, for 1 kg plastic she is earning rupees 2 as profit. So for 63 kg plastic, how much she will earn as profit? What you will do? You will multiply 63 into 2. Whatever the answer is, that profit she is earning from the plastic. Okay, so this also you write in the copy. Better you write the whole thing in the copy. This is rupees 65. Sorry, page 65, and the question is second question. Question A, B. B part I am writing. Question A, B part. Cost price of 1 kg plastic is equals to rupees 10. Now, selling price of 1 kg plastic is equals to rupees 12. Therefore, I am writing the whole thing, okay. Therefore, profit on selling 1 kg plastic is equals to rupees 12 minus rupees 10, that is rupees 2. That is rupees 2. Now the next one you will write similarly, profit on selling 63 kg of plastic is equals to rupees 2 into 63, that is rupees, what will be the answer? Rupees? Yes, students, now come to your book. Come to your book. So multiply this one, you will get 2 3s are 6 and 2 6s are 12. 126. 126. Okay, so answer you will write that Kiran earns rupees 126 by selling 63 kg of plastic. Answer will be Kiran earns rupees 126 as profit by selling 63 kg of plastic. 63 kg of plastic. 63 kg of plastic. Okay. Yes. Now come to the next page. Come to the next page. Page number 66. Page number 66. Page number 66. Kiran sells 32 kg iron. Now Kiran, she is selling 32 kg iron. So how much money will Dinu pay for 32 kg iron? So the same statement you will write, that cost of 1 kg iron, therefore cost of 32 kg iron. Cost of, this is page number 66. This is page number 66. Question number B. A. From Dinu's rate list, we know that cost of 1 kg iron is equals to rupees 14. Okay, it is rupees 14 and she is selling 32 kg iron. Therefore, cost of 32 kg iron is equals to rupees 14 into 32. When you will multiply, just multiply and tell me the answer. In the rough, you multiply and tell me the answer. Multiply in the rough and tell me the answer. Rupees 64. No, Shubham, it is wrong. 14 into 32. 14 into 32. Multiply and tell me the answer. For 32 kg iron. What is the answer you are getting by multiplying? 4 oak. Yes, Joita has given the first answer. It is rupees 448. Very good, Joita. You are very quick. Yes, the answer is rupees 448. So everyone write it down, 448. So Dinu pays rupees 448 to Kiran for 32 kg of iron. Clear? So this is the last question. We will do the next question in our next class. So for today, bye all of you, and you practice your maths up to what we have done. Clear? Achha, one more thing I want to give you homework, that is page number 67. Page number 67, the first one. See, first guess the answer and then calculate. This one you do it as homework. It is simple multiplication. This one you do it as homework because it is simple multiplication. Multiply and write the answers. Okay. That 37 into 18, then 45 into 24, then 69 into 52, like this. Multiply and write the answer in your copy. Okay, so this is the homework to you. From A to H you will do of your own. So that's all for today. Bye all of you.